Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry or autofocus video on Nikon Z30. Okay, so the first thing is changing the autofocus mode. You may want to click on the I button right here and go to autofocus mode, and you can set it to continuous autofocus. If it doesn't work properly, you may want to set it to manual focus, but then you need to adjust the focus manually by sliding this ring, and it'll just be set until you change it. So I think manual autofocus in most cases, especially in videos that are dynamic, you move the distance of objects that you're recording, it's better to have the autofocus set to continuous autofocus, so it'll just keep changing as the distance changes. Now, autofocus area mode is another thing that I'd recommend changing, and if you're recording a person, do autofocus auto area autofocus people. If you're recording animals, do auto area autofocus animals. You may also want to do wide area for people, and if you're recording something else, then I recommend just doing auto area autofocus. I'll leave it on people, and now that is basically it. Also, of course, make sure that your lens is clean, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.